Here I have the Batman Animated Series Batmobile set, which comes with a dark blue color instead of the traditional black. In the front you have two lights with the stickers, two stunt shooters. You can take them out. Here you have the driver's seat. If you open up to reveal the control center with the Batman in it. And in the back it has I think it does a good job to create these detailed shape for the back end of the car, and with the lights, when you move the car, the flame does rotate, so it adds a little bit playability. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. The build itself is pretty normal. I don't find anything surprisingly interesting or difficult. Here I also have the 1989 Batmobile, also minifigure size. As a comparison, as you can see, the animated series car is actually longer, even longer than the 1989 version. It also comes with a pretty nice base plate, which kind of makes it as a collector's item. Yeah, overall I think it's a good car. The price tag might be a little bit high. If you're a collector of Batmobile, especially the minifigure size, I think this is a must-have.